Jabba sleep and do wake up your little bad mind. What? Jabba sleep and do wake up your little bad mind. What? You're too bad mind for the star line. You're for proud of the star, yo, make the star shine.
Yeah, hear me answer now. Hear me answer. Yeah, me happy to say something. Pan that one, yeah. Trust me. A blessed morning. To all of my Facebook friend them. YouTube. Yes, Instagram. Yeah, me want to take in that one, yeah. Cause you know, me not say vibes card to a God, you know. But you know when a man is well respectable. Yeah. I know Cartel alone sing dirty song. You understand what I say? Yeah. So me don't know why Mrs. Hannah I go single out the man like say boy him and the man where crash Jamaica pitney them. Long before Cartel come, a whole heap of artists did a sing all kind of dirty tune. You see what I say? So me don't know what the problem. Me don't know what upstore her or what get her to do this. Cause in a PMP time when PMP are in a power, me never see she do this. You see me? And I free them in a PMP time, a man go to prison. You understand? So me not see what make she come out try to make a big deal out of something where the man done the behind bars already. That's what me I say. So you know what me I say, man. She could just go and allow the man and go focus on our party and then people try and see if them can come together to win the next election. Yeah, me's a PMP, I mean not probably tell the world that. But me I say, yo, a man with the behind bars already. We are going hard. We are doing time. You see me? What them say? Guilty for a murder. So them say. You see me? Now the man are doing time in musical play. Him is not the first man. But whether they are prison in musical play because a whole heap of other artists go to prison and their music play. Right? You see me I say? So me don't know what the problem she have with Cartel. You see what I say? Right now, you just make things bad for you and your party. And you just make things bad on your side because you trouble something when you trouble you. You see what I say? Because from you're in the PMP party, I don't see what you do. For Minister for Youth and Culture, I don't see what you do. You go and pick up Vibes Cartel thing on your head now. For what? The Bible say, you know if it trouble when I trouble you in a rasta. Yeah, meaning that we're not concerned you. You feel left it alone. So Hannah, I don't know where you get yourself in. I don't know if I fear me and look off a Cartel or what. Because I'll jack you the one hit song from behind bars. So what? Lord, the man make the man do him song. You see me? Yeah. Because you just upstore Jamaica people more than all them upstore already. You see me? Under the government I go under hard pressure already with the government. You come with your foolishness now. About Cartel song for ban. Well, if Cartel song for ban, you for ban every other blood clot man tune we are singing. When they are prison right now, we're out of we are singing all them nasty tune and them bad man tune. That's how me see it. You see me? Fear is fear if I saw no I do it. You see what me I say? Yeah. If you go focus on your politics thing alone, dance all alone. Because when time the PMP government in a power, I didn't have for them time, him go to prison. And I in a labor right time, you know. And me in a labor right, me a ban PMP. So me I say, yo, make peace reign in Jamaica, brother. The man they behind bars already. Allow the man make the man go do. Make the man do what he ma do. Him can't run gun away. Him don't have him in a custody already. What the fuck? You want ban the man off of the airway? Eh? When the man get a sentence, the man song still a play up on the airway. What the fuck? Buju Banton song still play up on the airway. What is wrong with Lisa Hannah Rasta? What is wrong? Eh? You go pick up on something where you can't manage. Eh? And you go have discussion. You go have discussion with your party. Which are my party. You go have discussion with them. Yeah. And see what one can say if one can win the next election. That's what we do. And love Cartel thing alone. Cartel done at the time already. What the fuck you want? Yeah? Some no politician, you know, on like get a youth, you know. You see that, you know. Wanna try everything for hold on ghetto youth. Wanna try everything for hold on ghetto youth. And when you no can't stop ghetto youth, certain way, wanna send police to come kill them. That's what I say. So all when the man they are road, wanna pressure the man. See him way. Eh? The man is so wanna say, well, him powerful, yeah. But everything what the man say out of him mouth catchy. And a reality the man a sing about. So uno say uno want the truth and now the man a say the truth. I uno hide the truth. A bad man, no bad man the man, uno have to go away. Because uno out there do some wicked thing behind people back to. As a politician. So what? But you pressure the world boss. Eh? Well me nah shut my mouth on that one. Yeah. You see me? Uno need to allow the man. Because you stir up something, Lisa Anna. What you think say? Yeah, a whole heap of people are going to jump behind you. I society people when I like him, I go say Ray. But if you think and check, not because you're a minister, no other people afraid for this yo. You see me? And you can't stop people from talk because you come talk. So people are going to talk and violate you and this yo. I see him say if a popcorn or a iodine or I like how alkaline around the place now. And them saying the charge for murder and everybody down in their backbone. And say them have to let him go there till them find more evidence. Right? I saw them do cartel too. But them never let him go back right away. So you hear me I say, who no politician not good and me know that from morning so not good. Who not good. Yeah, me don't tell you that. Cause if I'm a poor people, you don't know nobody. You see me I say, poor people put in which part on there. And you know want poor people to strive, like reach phone level. So through cartel pass on the level. And the higher down, you know, say, yeah, you come out with your foolish about cartel tune for ban. And you for ban off of the airwave. You, Lisa Anna, for ban. You not for dep on the airwave attack, copy of crap you a chat. You see me? Yeah? Yeah, man, you for ban. I mean, I take back my talk, you for ban. Straight, yo. Lisa Anna for ban, yo. Yeah, if you allow the boss, make him do him thing. Real, man. I mean, I know what cartel do you. Make you come back and chat. Eh?
R9, you never see a youth rise, but the action I do it while them a use nice. Play with the cause of the two wise. If my head hurt me, you know everything rise. We no kill champion, we pill champion. We no kill champion, we pill champion. We no kill champion, we pill champion. Calabar, champion.